Here's my solar setup being tested on my deck right now. I have two 100-watt panels from Renogy connected in parallel. And over here we have the Renogy rover controller, 40 amp. And to the right is the Bluetooth interface. And I have it hooked up to a small 5 amp hour 12 volt battery just for testing. And I also have a small inverter here just for a load. And everything seems to be working fine. And I'm going to be putting the panels up on my RV today. Okay, I'm going to be placing the controller down here in the trunk of the vehicle. And I ran the wires from the solar panel here up behind this panel up here, and I drilled a hole in this panel, this sheet metal panel, and here's the wires that will eventually be terminated onto the solar panels. And here, of course, are the solar panels up on the roof, and they're just waiting there to be terminated. Okay, well, here's the final setup. There's the controller with the Bluetooth module off to the left. The wiring comes in through the column from the roof, and the wiring then eventually terminates to these two connectors. One is a 12 volt power output, and the other one is a switch to turn off the solar panels. Now, here in the interior of the RV, right down here, is that switch and the power output. That makes it nice and convenient to tap into the power from the load. Here's the Bluetooth application for the controller. All of the information, all the voltages, the wattage, current, and everything is available on my tablet here, which makes it very convenient. I don't have to put any dials up in the cabin here.